Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to Mistermezss Kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to make mandazi with only 4 ingredients. So if you don't know what is mandazi, mandazi is a form of fried bread originated on the Swahili coast. It's also known as bofro or puff puff in Western Africa like Nigeria and Ghana. So if you're new across my channel, don't hesitate to subscribe and hit the notification bell, that way you don't miss anything. And now, if you're ready to learn how to make mandazi with only 4 ingredients, put on your seatbelt and let's step on the gas. Okay, for our 4 ingredients mandazi, we're gonna need 1½ cup of self-rising flour, 1/4 cup of white sugar, 2 tablespoons of room temperature butter, 1/3 cup of warm milk. Okay, so to start, we're gonna sift our flour. We're gonna sift well. And we're going to sift also our sugar. After we sift our flour and sugar, we're gonna now give it a mix with our hand. And we're gonna add in our room temperature butter. There we go. So we're gonna add it in. And we're gonna mix with our hand until it turns into crumbs. This process can take about 2 to 3 minutes. Okay, now our flour turned into crumbs like you can see on the screen. So now it's time to add our warm milk slowly. So we're gonna add just a little bit to start. And then we mix in slowly. We're gonna add the second half. We're gonna mix in until it forms a dough. Okay, now we have our dough. Now we're gonna transfer that on a work surface. So first we're gonna flour our work surface very nicely. And then we're gonna transfer our dough to the work surface. Just like that. And we're gonna knead our dough for about 3 minutes. Okay, so we knead our dough for about 3 minutes. So now we're gonna wrap it in a plastic wrap and let it rest for 10 minutes. So here we go. Put that in a plastic wrap, just like that. So we're gonna wrap it nicely, sit in our bowl, and we're gonna cover with our kitchen towel and let it rest for 10 minutes. Okay, so our dough rests for about 10 minutes. So now it's time to knead it one more time. So we're gonna flour our surface one more time, nicely like this. And we're gonna unwrap it. And we're gonna knead our dough again for about 6 minutes. Okay, so we knead our dough for 6 minutes. Now we're gonna wrap it again and let it rest for 30 minutes. Okay, so 30 minutes later, we're gonna check on our dough. Our dough is pretty much ready, so now we're gonna start dividing. What we're gonna do, we're gonna go ahead, flour our surface one more time, just a little bit of flour, not too much. And then we're gonna roll it. And then we're gonna divide in 3. Like 1, 2. Just like that. So we got 3 pieces. We're gonna put 2 pieces on side, and we're gonna shape it in the bowl just like that. Okay, so we have our mandazi ready to go, so now it's time to fry them. I have here in my pan some cooking oil, preheat for about 325 degrees, and those mandazi gonna go in until they're golden brown on both sides.
This process can take about 2 to 3 minutes. Once your mandazi turn golden brown, they're ready to go. So I'm going to keep them on the cooling rod to keep them soft and crispy. So I'm going to continue the process for the remaining mandazi. So once your mandazi turned out golden brown like this, they are ready to go. So we're gonna see them aside, let them cool down, and we go for the tasting. Okay, so to make sure our mandazi look good, we're gonna just sprinkle a little bit of powdered sugar on top. Okay, so our mandazi is ready, so now it's time to go for the tasting. Wow, this mandazi tastes so excellent, so crunchy on the outside and so soft in the inside. With only 4 ingredients, you can really achieve a very nice mandazi. So I'm going to put the recipe in the description box below for you to give it a try. Okay, so we have begun our video. If you like my video, go ahead and give me a big thumbs up. And also, if you're new on my channel, don't hesitate to subscribe. That way you don't miss anything. So if you like it, thumbs up, comment, subscribe, and see you next time for a nice and fresh video. Peace!